All right, let's graph. This is 4b, so we're going to graph this equation. So we have x equals the opposite of b over 2 times a, negative 6 over negative 2, which is 3. So we're going to substitute that in for the x value. And we get y equals 3 squared is 9, minus 9 plus 18 minus 13. So that's 9 minus 13 is negative 4. So we have our vertex at 3, negative 4. So we're going to go 2 and 1 and 4 and 5. Substituting 4 or 2 in. And we get 4, negative 4 plus 12 minus 13 is 8, negative 5. And then substituting 1 in. 1 and 1, so we get negative 1 plus 6 minus 13 is 5 minus 13 is negative 8. So we get negative 5 and negative 8. We have 1, negative 8, 2, negative 5, 3, negative 4, 4, negative 5, and 5, negative 8. All right, so now we have our quadratic drawn. Now we're going to do the domain. Domain is how far left does the graph go to how far right. And in this case, it goes left forever and right forever. So that's going to be negative infinity to infinity, or fancy all real number symbol. Range, the lowest part of the graph to the highest. So how low does it go? Well, both left and right side ends of the graph are going to go down forever. Down forever is negative infinity. And the highest value, y value, is at negative 4. So we're going to go from negative infinity to negative 4. Negative 4 is an included value in our graph, so then we're going to have a bracket around it. Increasing, decreasing from left to right. The first part of the graph is increasing. Second part of the graph is decreasing. When you're labeling increasing, decreasing, it's all about the x value. So we want to know the x value of our vertex here, which is at 4. So we're going to increase from negative infinity, coming from the left, negative infinity, all the way up till 4. So negative infinity up to 4, and it's going to decrease from 4 to the right forever to infinity. 0. Zeros means where does it cross the x-axis? Where does it touch the x-axis? Well, this doesn't. So we're going to say none. And end behavior. Talk about the ends of the graphs. Which two directions is this end going? It's going to the left, and it's going down. How far left does it go? It goes left forever. Left forever on the graph is negative infinity. How far down is it going to go? It's going to go down forever. Forever down is also negative infinity. So that's going to be, and you don't have to memorize everything I'm writing here. You just have to know left is your x value. It's going to go to negative infinity, so x values are going to go to negative infinity. The y values is f of x, and that's going to go down to negative infinity. So that's the left end of the graph. Now the right end is going to go right and down. Right forever and down forever. So right forever is positive infinity. The y values, which is down forever, is negative infinity. All right, I hope this helps.